Alright everybody, this is a video on how to fix a 3/4 inch pipe that's broken in the ground without digging too terribly crazy. You can see it's broken, it's full of stuff, it's got to be flushed out, but I'm going to show you a trick on all that stuff to make you more efficient. What you'll need is the Milwaukee shop vac. Absolutely. You definitely need this shop vac if you're an irrigation technician. Absolutely. You need primer. You need the red hot blue glue. You're going to need some nice cutters and a 3/4 inch quick coupler. Alright, now that I've got it cleaned out, I'm going to measure my quick coupler to the break and hopefully just barely. I love it. So now I'm going to mark it and cut it. So I've cut the section of pipe out. I'm going to use the Milwaukee vacuum to suck out all the debris. Then I'm going to put this coupler in there and show you how to glue it in. So now we're going to prime it, get it all clean. And there you go. We'll turn it on here in about 2 minutes and see if it holds.